The simple way to know when to sharpen the turboplane is when you're cutting along the grain, you should get nice long shavings. If you're getting dust, then it's time to sharpen it. So to sharpen the turboplane, simply get your diamond file. You can use the Arbortech diamond file, which I recommend, or you can buy from any hardware store. And you place it flat against the front face of each cutter. So you swipe it forward and backwards until you see a nice clean line. It can be useful to run black texture on the front so you can see that you've cleaned it properly. Sometimes you get a build-up on the back of the cutters. I advise using the diamond file to clean up the back as well when necessary to get a nice sharp edge.